In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to mount Good to Go Pass correctly. So what happened after you sign up the account, after you sign up Good to Go Pass account, next few days you will receive this kit, Good to Go Flex Pass Starter Kit. In this video, I'll show you how to mount Good to Go Pass on the windshield correctly. Inside this kit, you open it up, you'll see this, it's called Flex Pass. So first thing, we'll just peel this off here. So the kit will come with two double-sided tape, Velcro. What you need is to detach the holder. You get this like clear plexiglass holder. So first thing we do is just clean the surface with the rubbing alcohol. I use the Velcro and peel up the protective film and place it on the edge. Okay, now this part is complete. Now let's get to the car, place it on the windshield. Now before I mount this Good to Go Pass on the windshield, and some of you out there wondering how do they know to deduct the money out from your account if you mount this on the windshield. So the way it works is this pass, it comes with the built-in RFID chips inside this. So what you see right now is this size. It's for decorative, just for us to see. Once you mount on the windshield with this slider, when you travel to the interstate like 405 or SR's 167, or you go to Tacoma Narrow Bridge, with this slider on, it says toll. So when you go through the checkpoint, at checkpoint they have a system that detect your RFID chips inside here. So it's better to mount it properly on the windshield instead of throw it in the glove box. There's no way the system able to detect you have these chips on the car. So you might get billed with the toll fee. So if you mount it properly on the windshield, the system will detect the RFID chip inside here. And inside here with this pass number, it registers with your account. So when you pass through the checkpoint, it automatically detect the RFID that linked it into your account. It will automatically deduct the money out from your account. So let's mount this holder on the windshield correct way. So I'm going to windshield surface with the rubbing alcohol. Okay, let's peel the protective layer off. Place it on the windshield. So now the holder is complete and correctly mounted on the windshield. It's time to put the Good to Go Flex Pass into the holder. Slide into here and press it down. There you go. That's how you properly mount your Good to Go Pass on the windshield. So the way to use this Good to Go Pass is every time you drive on 405 or 167 or Highway 16 by Tacoma Narrow Bridge, leave it here for toll, drive on normal road, and you get charged straight into your Good to Go Pass account. How it works, if you are on I-45, the toll fee lanes are start from Bellevue, which is Northeast 6, and all the way to I-5. If you want to use the toll fee lane, leave it on toll and drive it on express toll fee lane. You will get deduct automatic Good to Go Pass account. Now, if you want to drive on HOV lane for free without getting charged, if you have either 2 or 3 people on board, depend on the time. So at the peak time, it requires 3 passengers or more. Off-peak time, only 2 passengers or more. So let's say if you have 2 passengers on board and you're driving on I-45 off-peak time, all you do is just slide this way. It will reveal HOV. So with that HOV, the system will automatically detect that you have 2 passengers or more at off-peak time. You will get free ride, no charge into your account. Or anytime that you don't have 2 passengers or more, slide back, slide this way. The system will detect and automatically deduct the amount from your account. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up And thank you for watching. See ya.